Hello mga kabakal! Naniniwala ba kayo na men needs pamper time too? Kaya tara, samahan niyo ako sa aking secret. Step inside the sanctuary of self-care. Essence Derm Aesthetic Center. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa aking treatment today. Una, susubukan natin ang kanilang pinaka-in-demand na celebrity cocktail drip. Bago nga simulan ang treatment, assist ka muna ng kanilang nurse for blood pressure and heart rate. And kapag okay na, proceed na sa procedure. Alam nyo ba na ang celebrity cocktail drip, aside from it whitens your skin tone, it also boosts collagen production for increased elasticity and a youthful complexion. Next naman ay ang kanilang collagen slimming pad. Sobrang ma-enjoy mo yung treatment na to dahil this treatment rejuvenates your damaged skin and mag-relax ka lang for 30 minutes na para ka nang nakasauna dahil sa heat effect ng pad. At hindi lang yan, dahil after 30 minutes, you will experience their full body massage and VIP shower after your treatment. O diba? Hindi ka ba naman ma-relax at ma-pamper? And last but definitely not on the list, EM Slim Nova. Kung ikaw may malaking tiyan na insecurities katulad ko, well, this treatment is for you. Tone your stomach with EM Slim Nova, a 30-minute session that is equivalent to 20,000 sit-ups. Yes, tama kayo mga kabakal. Nakahiga ka lang pero nakapag-produce ka na ng 20,000 sit-ups. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Book your appointment now at Essence Derm Aesthetic. Oops mga kabakal, di pa dyan nagtatapos. Abangan nyo pa ang aming relaxing session namin sa Essence Derm Aesthetic Center. Sinisigurado ko na kahit kabakal at brusko, ay kailangan mong alagang Essence Derm Aesthetic na magbibigay ng inside and outside glow sa'yo.